How to continue downloading on sleep mode. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can keep downloading files even if your laptop or computer is on sleep mode. First thing first, you just have to go to your control panel. Tap on the search bar and search for control panel. Hit enter. Now on the view by, make sure that it's set to large or small icons, and you're going to have to find the power options. Head over there and you'll find your custom power plan. Go to change plan settings. And from here, on the put computer to sleep, you can change it to never. And you could do the same when your laptop is plugged in. Set this to never. The next step is to click on this option, change advanced power settings, and another window will pop up on your screen. Now on this option, turn off hard disk after. So this totally depends on you. On battery, it's set to 10 minutes, and on when it's plugged in, it's set to 20 minutes. So let's say if I want it only after 3 hours, I'm just going to go ahead and enter 180 minutes, which is equivalent of 3 hours. Or if you want more 12 hours, you could do that as well. 24 hours, you could do that as well. And when plugged in, you could also go ahead and change this to, let's do 270 minutes. So once you have done that, click on apply and then OK. And then don't forget to click on the save changes option and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically keep downloading your files even when your laptop is on sleep. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.